Hey there, my name is Chand, and in this video we will try to understand why this course could be a wonderful option for you. Now friends, more than 87,000 students trust me with their learning needs. Moreover, I am author of 17 plus courses. I have also received more than 4,900 reviews, where majority of the reviews are 5-star reviews. This shows that I am pretty good at my work. Now coming back to the topic, why this course. Now friends, Java is a popular programming language. Definitely millions and millions of devices run Java, and if you become a Java developer, you cannot be wrong. There would be plenty of opportunity every time for you, waiting for you. As a result, you will definitely earn a good amount of money. But Java is not very easy to understand. There are like concepts, for example object-oriented methodology, for example files, for example abstraction, for example inner classes. There are plenty of concepts which are little difficult to understand. In order to decode these complex topics, you must need a easy to understand, straight to the point, simplified course, and this course can definitely help you out. Check out the curriculum, check out the reviews, and you will definitely enjoy this course. I can guarantee you that this course could be a wonderful option for you. Now friends, this course also comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, which makes this course a definite buy and a risk-free purchase. So don't wait, move forward and let's get started with Java. I hope to catch you in the course. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. This is Chand, your host.